Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to check out how to get help with account verification on Kabbage. Now, are you having trouble verifying your Kabbage account? Let's walk through exactly how to get help fast. Now, common reasons for failed verification include blurry documents uploads or mismatched business name, or it could be outdated government identifications. Now, first, you want to double check your submitted documents. Are they current, and is the information consistent in your application? If your issue persists, you want to reach out via the help center and submit a ticket labeled account verification issues. And here you're going to need to attach a valid government identification card as well as business formation documents and a short explanation of what's happening. Now, Kabbage support team may request a video call or additional identity proof just for extra security. The best way to speed up the process is to respond to their emails quickly and to provide exactly what's asked. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.